Hey guys, I'm vlogging today and I've got Tucker. We're taking him to the groomers and Kinsley's back there. We are in my rental car because my car was hit. So it's in the shop. So we're in my rental car and it's a Nissan Rogue and this is what the inside looks like if anyone ever wondered. And I really like it. I mean, it's really nice. I'm happy with it. It's nice to drive and everything. And it's got plenty of room for the girls and a nice trunk area, which I do miss from my SUV because I have a car now. But this little guy is gonna look totally different when you see him next. We are headed to Maddie's school after this. Here, I'm gonna go and start the car. Because she has a tug of war competition. And so Kinsley and I are gonna go watch that. And then we're gonna come home for a little bit. And then we'll probably go pick him up in a little after that. It won't be long. Whoa, the AC is kicking. So, that's what we're doing.
Mama, I wanna go to there so I can get a sucker.
You want to go? Oh, the dog groomer place has suckers. Okay, you can get a sucker there. So that's what we're doing, and I'm going to bring you guys along today. So, and I'm not vlogging. I've got this new vlogging tripod thing. Clearly, I don't know how to use it. Here, I'll hold you over here. That's better. And I like it a lot, but I'll show you guys later in case you're interested, because they sent it to me to see if I like it, and so far I love it. It's the best one I've ever had. So I'll show that to you guys later. We're at a stop sign, so nobody freak out. And my phone is supposed to be telling me, oh, I need to go right. Okay, so we're home and I ran to the P.O. box and I got a few things in there, so I'll show you guys later. I got a package and some cards, so I'll open those in a little bit. But right now we're outside. Kinsley is playing in the pool and Bailey's playing. There's Bailey. If you did not watch our video about Bailey, she is a lab blue heeler mix, we think, and she's 7 weeks old tomorrow, which I know is really young, but she was surrendered to the animal shelter. So, I don't know why they did that, but it is what it is. Now she's ours, so she's 7 weeks old, and she's a very good little girl. And she's Maddie's dog, technically, but I'm grandma, so I'm babysitting. You want to put her in the pool with you? Okay, let's see if she'll go in the pool with you. Bailey, you want to go in the pool? You want to get wet? It's really hot. It's 90 degrees. What do you think she's going to think? What do you think, Bailey? What do you think, baby? Does it cool you off? Oh, no, no, no. No, no. She wants... Don't make her stay. She doesn't want to stay in. She got cooled off. And now she feels better, huh? She might get back in a little bit. You gotta let her do it in her own time so she's comfortable. Is the water warm today? It is warm. It's kind of like gross warm, actually. Should we maybe put some cold water in it? You think?
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy will get the hose and put some cold water in it. Bailey May. Bailey May. Can you say hi? Say hi.
Hi. My name is Puppy Ruff.
Puppy Ruff? You're so cute. So I'm just opening up some packages, and I got my new Keep Calm and Clean shirt from my last campaign. This is what the back looks like. On Wednesdays, we clean. Hashtag watch me clean Wednesday. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love this shirt. I cannot wait to wear it. Yep. And then I have another package here from Amazon. Okay, so we got the Snuggle Puppy from Amazon, which if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a story because little Bailey here has terrible separation anxiety in her crate. Hey, listen, go dry off with the towel first.
I did it.
She can come in.
Well, she's wet.
It's okay.
Okay.
You can come in, baby. Maddie just threw her stuff on the floor when she came home from school. Anyways, so it has a little heartbeat there and then a heating pad you can put in it, and it's supposed to help like soothe them or whatever. So we're gonna set that up and see. It was like $30 on Amazon. What?
Can you get it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it out. Oh! Oh my god, this kid is worse than the puppy, I swear. Anyways, this is the tripod thingy that they gave me. I will be there in just a minute. This is the tripod thing they gave me. You're fine. And it comes with a little attachment for your iPhone, or I mean, I guess any phone, but my iPhone 7 Plus doesn't fit on there. It's too big. And then two little, I don't even know what these are. Are you gonna die?
I don't want my shirt on.
Well, I'm gonna put it on you in just a minute. We've got to go pick up Tucker. Maddie's home from school.
Hi.
There, dry it off. So this is from Ava Rose Online Boutique, and she asked me if she could send me some things, and I'm super excited because I don't know what she sent. What? Yeah, just break it in half. Well, just give her the whole thing, it doesn't matter. If I can get the box open, I'll show you guys. And she sent me a little card. I want to try to open the clothes before my battery dies. Wait, oh, where we left this? Hey, wait, just 1 second and you can see. So this, oh my gosh, I love this. Look, Maddie, look how pretty this is.
That's so pretty.
This is so my style too.
That's adorable.
I love that. And then she sent me this. This is so cute. Look, it's a little short-sleeved gray hoodie, and gray is my color. Love it. That is adorable. I can't wait to try all this stuff on. Ooh, and I love this color, this dusty mauve color. And it's just like a V-neck t-shirt. She knows my style, so she sent me some pants. They're white, little skinnies, and at the bottom, they have like, they're like distressed. It's probably not gonna focus. Focus on the pants, not me. Like that. Oh, and they zip, look. They have little zippers. How cute. Thank you so much for this stuff. I love it. And I'll have her online boutique linked for you guys below if you want to check it out. I love online boutiques. That's like where I shop mostly. Every once in a while I'll pick up something at Target, but I like online boutiques because I think they have really cute clothes. So I will definitely have hers. It's Ava Rose Online Boutique, and her name is Debbie. So I put on one of the shirts to go pick up Tucker. Isn't that not cute? I love this pattern. Thank you so much. I really do like this tripod thing that they sent me a lot, and they are not paying me to say that. They just asked me, whoa, if they could send it to me, and I was like, yes, because I actually want one. I needed one. The one I have, I don't like at all. This one is like no joke. They're sliding right now. We're waiting on Maddie because she went to get drinks for us because it was Popcorn Friday at school. They get popcorn on one Friday a month. You see Bailey back there? Is she begging for popcorn? I feel like I'm always eating in my vlogs. Also, I wanted to say on here, to you guys that don't follow me on Instagram, I think for the summer, I'm going to be cutting down to 2 days a week starting now. So I haven't decided what days those are going to be, but I will still have Watch Me Clean Wednesday, but I'm not going to post 3 days a week during the summer because it's just too overwhelming, and I'm trying to take care of these kids, you know, by myself, and I've got a lot going on, and thank you so much. And it's summer, and I want to enjoy summer with my girls and not have to worry about making 3 videos a week because it is a lot of work, and it's really starting to stress me out, and I don't want it to stress me out. So I'm gonna step back and take 1 day a week off. And all of you on Instagram were so sweet. I got hundreds of messages telling me to do me and that you guys understand and you support me, and you guys are great. Made me feel so much better about my decision. Susie got some water? Bailey, you ready to go? All right, let's go get Tucker. We just got Tucker boy. Hey, look at his tail. It's so funny. I asked her to trim it because little sister keeps pulling his hair. She'll like grab hold of his tail and pull his hair out. Poor guy. So I asked her to trim it, and it looks so silly. But you look so handsome. Are you ready to go? You ready to go home?
He looks like a picker.
Hey, Tuck. Did you miss me, man? I missed you so much. Oh, what are you doing? Are you trying to get up here and see your brother? You guys can play when we get home. I'm sure you are gonna have the zoomies and be so cry. Are you excited? You wanna go home? Tucker, you wanna go home? Wanna go home? Don't choke her. They're gonna show you how they slide down the slide together. Isn't that fun? You guys are so silly. Who knew a $10 pool could be so much fun? And this is our second year using it too. Ready? Ready? Are you sunbathing? Hmm? What are you doing? Tucker, what are you doing? Are you a hot dog? Oh, that water feels good on me. You just splashed me. It feels good. Come here, Bailey May. So this thing is pretty cool. That little heartbeat thing in there vibrates. So it vibrates to the heart beating, and it sounds, or I mean, it feels pretty realistic. And then it comes with one little heat pack, but we're not going to use that until we really need it. But I wanted to tell you guys what Bailey just did. Come here, Bailey. Let's tell him what you did. So we were sitting at the table eating dinner, and Bailey went over. I have the curtains. See how they're, don't mind my trash. That's all going out to the trash can in a minute. But see, I normally have my curtains like that, but I pulled them over when I let her out, but they were down. And she went over to the rug and she stuck her nose, kind of like moved the curtains aside and let me know she wanted to go outside. So I opened the door. She ran out and went pee. It's going pretty good. Tucker trying to eat Kinsley's scraps. I'm using the method. I have a video on it, and I will try and have an iCard go across now to link to that video if you want to go watch it. But it's the method I used with Tucker, and it worked like magic. And I'm using it with Bailey as well, and clearly it's working also because we've only had her a week tomorrow. And she just asked to go outside, and she's not even 7 weeks old. She'll be 7 weeks old tomorrow, so that's pretty incredible if you ask me. And of course she still has accidents. She's not potty trained by any means, but she's learning. She definitely knows when we let her outside that she's out there to go potty and stuff. Yeah, I have a video on that though, how I potty train, and it is exhausting. Hence my face. No, I'm not exhausted because of that. But it is exhausting, but it does work, and it works really fast. So anyways, my house is disgusting, so I'm going to show you guys a clip of it before me and Maddie are going to just clean it up really quick, and then I'll show you a clip of it when it's all clean. So are you going to help me?
Yeah.
She's so excited. I don't want to clean either, but I can't relax if the house isn't clean.
No, you can't.
So once we get it clean, we're done for the day. We can just relax and hang out.
Yay!
Okay, she's gonna help me. Well, I gotta show them the mess. It's not too bad in here. Kinsley's just hanging out watching TV. It's really not too bad in there. We haven't really spent any time in here today. And that's laundry that I need to fold. But there's toys all in the hallway, trash, packages and clothing and mail, Kinsley's clothes, dinner, dirty mop water, and this catch-all space that has a little bit of everything on it, and dinner, and some dishes, and oh, and this trash here. That's pretty much it. So it won't take us long. Okay, the dishwasher is running, so that's the loud noise, but clean. That's Maddie's water she's still drinking, and I just rinsed that out because we're gonna use that tomorrow. But my sink is clean, my dishes are clean, and I used my Grove dish soap replaceable head. So this head pops off and you can replace it, and I really liked it a lot. And then I have my lavender, or I mean my lilac stuff back out because I still have this that I need to use up and this before I put my honeysuckle out permanently. But I did use my honeysuckle dish soap because it smells so good. What?
I think it died.
It died? Oh, we gotta plug it in. Maddie was using our massager. What do you think about it? It felt so good. The cord is in my bedroom in the box still. If you want to go get it, we'll plug it in. I know, we gotta charge it for a little bit and then Kinsley can try it. Okay, the kitchen is clean.
Where do you think it could be?
In the box in my room. How many times did I say that? And then we're clean in here. Little Bailey's sleeping under here with her snuggle puppy. This is her favorite spot in the house, is underneath the kitchen table. So she's down there. But my desk is still a mess, but who cares? And then I wanted to show you guys Bailey's really cute little bowl I got at Petco. I'm gonna go tomorrow and get the matching water bowl, and I clearly need to clean off that little mat because it's dirty. That took us like 30 minutes. Would have taken less if somebody would have listened better. But we're all done. That's all that matters. So I just realized in this vlog, I think this is the 3rd shirt that I've worn today in this vlog. Maybe even the 4th. Yeah, hold you. Come here. Hold on. Are you gonna say hi?
Hi.
We're matching. Anyways, I got new clothes and I was trying those on and I laid out in the sun, so, you know, life happens. And I'm the one who does laundry, so who cares? Girls want to make cookies. So we might be making cookies, I don't know. But I'm done. I'm done for the day. What time is it? 8:30. It's Friday night, so we're staying up a little bit late, but I think we're gonna maybe make cookies and just hang out for a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out.
We're not going to bed right now.
No, we're not going to bed yet. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today. Don't forget to check out the links below for the things I mentioned in today's video. And just like a summary on this, I don't even know what brand it is. I'll have to look. This tripod, I love it. Love it. It's changed the way that I vlog. Like, definitely recommend it. So I'll have that linked for you below. Want to say bye? Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say
we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we